Hello, hello, hello. Tinanghali tayo. Hello everyone, good afternoon. Happy Monday. Malamig na Monday dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good afternoon. It's 12:24 p.m. na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. I hope your day is amazing, malamig, pero we're good. Tinanghali si Mama, pauwi pa lang ako. Grabe, ang sarap ng aking Muhammad. Thank you for watching. Oh my goodness, it was a fun class I was teaching this morning. I was teaching aqua fitness and it was so fun. A lot of people, oh my god, lots of splashing in the pool. Pawis na pawis, grabe. Pero ang sarap, diba? That was my exercise. So, yes, Monday started off really awesome, really amazing class. Yeah, so I hope your day is going well. And yeah, it's Tita, by the way, and I am broadcasting from Ontario, Canada. Yeah, so shout out muna sa aking mga followers diyan. Maraming salamat. Thank you everyone. I appreciate you. Mapabago man kayo or mapaluma, I really appreciate you guys supporting me and supporting my page, engaging into my post and sharing into my post, so which is amazing. Yeah, so anyhow, most of you guys na nagpa-follow sa akin, you guys know na meron akong online business na gino-grow ko dito sa social media platform. So that's the reason why I always come out going live and posting, because I wanted to share this amazing business opportunity to all of you guys. Yeah, because success is not just all about working harder. It's about working smarter. Diba? Ooh, we're going to have not nice weather today, and it's starting already, but it's good. We're good. And yeah, so I did say there in my caption, if you are ready to invest, are you ready to invest for yourself? And if you are ready, watch this video. And why I am saying that, because again, every time I come out live, my topics are always inspired by the people that I talk to every single day regarding my online business. And most often talaga, when it comes to investment, because guys, I am growing an online business, a legitimate online business. So I always say that any business that you're gonna do, it's either online business or traditional business, expect an investment. Okay, so I am not offering job. I am offering, I am sharing an online business, not a job. So expect that there is an investment. So it's just tawag nun, napaka ano lang, it's just sad because people are like, when it comes to investing, ang laging nasa utak is expense. No, it's like, you know, you have to switch your mindset into like any business, anything, talagang meron yang investment. Now, if you are going to think that any money that comes out to you is an expense, then wala ka talagang hindi ka magkakaroon ng negosyo. Hindi ka magkakaroon, wala kang guts na mag-start ng sarili mong negosyo if you always think about it as an expense. Now, bakit ko sinabi diyan na if you're ready to invest in yourself? Because in this business, I never, like, you know, I never thought na I am just going to start a business to earn money. But you know what, guys? Here, hindi lang pera ang tawag nun, ang na-gain ko dito. I gain my mindset. I gain knowledge. I'm growing every single day. I gain, I meet a lot of people, people that are like, success-minded people that are positive, people that are like, encouraging me to do more, to like, to come out more in my comfort zone, and like, to do, to like, to dig in, to be the best version of myself. So yan ang dapat natin na itawag nun, na gagawin. Like, we have to surround ourselves with people that will uplift us, not people that will drag us down. Because walang mangyayari sa atin, because people na mga ganyang tao na hihilain ka pababa, ay wala kang maano diyan, wala kang gain sa ganyan. So find a network, find people that will help you to be the best version of yourself. Hindi yung they will drag you to be to be the opposite, in the opposite way. So why did I say if you're ready to invest in yourself? Because again, dito kasi hindi ka lang doing this business. I'm not only investing for my future, like I'm investing for myself, I'm investing for my health, because our products are medical grade. I am building something that is sustainable. I am building something that I can proudly say that it's my own. I am building my personality. I am building my skills, lots of skills na hindi ko nakukuha dati. So yan ang very proud ako na sasabihin, that I have found a business na talagang hindi lang pera ang pinag-uusapan, right? So that's why I'm always excited to learn something new every single day, because there are lots. And the best part is that here, if you are if you are willing to invest in yourself, because marami sa atin, think about it, a lot of people are investing on something that they want, they can't have for a lifetime. Napaka-busy natin mag-invest. Ang bilis natin mag-invest ng bagong cellphone, ng bagong gadget. Ang bilis natin mag-invest ng bagong cars. Joanne, thank you for watching. Ang bilis, but those are not investments. Those are liabilities. Because yun ay nagbabayad tayo. Pag meron tayong sasakyan, bibili tayo. But yes, especially if you're working abroad, yes, cars are very important. Me, I can't I can't work without car, right? So it's a necessity. Especially kung naandito ka sa small town na katulad ko. It's okay kung naandun ka sa big cities, because there are buses, public buses na pwede mong magamit to go to your work. But as here, I'm living in a small town, so no, I can't, we don't have public transit, and so I need a car. So yes, that's it. But if I can if I can do it without, no, I won't, because it's not, again, it's an investment if it's gonna help you for your job. But if it's not, then it's not an investment, it's a liabilities. Right? Especially pagka cellphone, ang bilis natin mag-upgrade ng cellphone. Dapat meron tayong magandang smartphone. We're paying bills. For what? Right? Scrolling on social media for nothing? Right? Not unless if you have a business like me, because for my phone, I claim taxes for that, for my phone bills every single month, my internet bills, Like I could claim, I could write it off because I am doing an online business. So that it's not a liability if I am going to upgrade my phone into the latest version every single time because I am using it for my business. So that is an asset. It's not a liability. But if you are just like, doing upgrading your phone for just for the sake of like, showing off, or just so people will say you have the upgraded version of gadget and everything, those are liabilities, guys. Right? So for me, that's why I say, like, for people that are seeing my, like, the business that's offered to them, like seeing that $149, which is refundable, fully refundable in 30 days, and they'll say, I don't have that kind of money. Well, if you don't have that kind of money now, if you don't do something to change that, then you won't have enough 10 years from now, 20 years from now. Right? So it really depends kung anong klaseng mindset ang meron tayo. Because there are lots of people in this business that have started without money. Right? Pero ginawa ng paraan. And now, they're not worrying about money anymore. Why? Because they did their best to change that. Dati wala silang pera, nakita ang negosyo na to, nakita ang potential ng negosyo na to, ginawa ang lahat para magkaroon ng investment, at ginawa ang lahat para maging successful dito sa business. And guess what? 5 years, 7 years, 10 years later, retire ng maaga, nagpapasarap na lang sa buhay. Yan. So if you're always going to think that you don't have money to start a business, then you will never have enough money. Right? So I hope it makes sense, guys. So and hindi na ako magtatagal because it's not really it's not nice. My driving is not nice. We are having a bad weather now, but I thank you for tuning in, and I hope you get value doon sa aking diniscuss. So don't be afraid to invest for yourself. Don't be afraid, because if you are investing time to work for someone for how many years, right? Pero naghihikahos ka pa rin, why would you not invest on yourself? At ang pinakamagandang investment is yung investment natin na mag-grow tayo every single day, yung investment natin para sa health natin, yung investment natin na magnegosyo tayo para few years from now ay hindi na tayo maghihikahos. Yan ang the best investment that you can have for your lifetime. Right? So yan yun. So sorry guys, I will cut my live short because I will share this one with you. Ganito po ang drive ko now. Yes, so it's not so good, but yes, so I am hands-free anyway, and I thank God na merong sasakyan sa unahan ko. But anyhow, enjoy the rest of your Monday, enjoy the rest of your week, and take care everyone. God bless you all. Thank you doon sa manonood ng replay. Maraming salamat everyone. Okay, so yes, God bless you all. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Bye for now.